Welcome to Riverfront Garden Resort. Located in the peaceful town of Maragondon Cavite, just a few hours away from the hustle and bustle of the city, yet it feels like a completely different world. As soon as you arrive, you're greeted by fresh mountain air, the sound of birds chirping, and the calming flow of the river that runs alongside the resort. The moment you step inside, it's like entering a secret garden, surrounded by tall trees, lush greenery, and peaceful scenery everywhere you look. It's quiet, it's relaxing, and it's perfect for anyone who wants to recharge and reconnect with nature. One of the best things about Riverfront is the natural vibe that it gives off. It's not just another resort. It's a place where you can truly unwind. The design of the cottages and the layout of the resort are simple yet aesthetic, blending harmoniously with the natural environment. If you're looking for an IG-worthy spot or a peaceful backdrop for your content, this place won't disappoint. You'll find 2 swimming pools on the property, both surrounded by greenery and shaded by trees, which keeps the temperature cool even during sunny days. It's the kind of place where you just want to float, relax, and take it all in. Just a few steps away from the pools is the resort's most unique feature, the riverfront itself. The river adds a tranquil charm to the whole experience. While swimming in the river isn't allowed for safety reasons, you can enjoy a relaxing kayak ride. It's a peaceful way to explore the area, especially in the early morning or late afternoon when the sun is soft and the surroundings glow with natural light. When it comes to food, you won't go hungry here. Riverfront has its own restaurant serving affordable and tasty meals. Perfect for guests who want to enjoy good food without leaving the resort. Whether you're staying for the day or overnight, you'll definitely appreciate the convenience. And if you're a coffee lover, don't miss their charming little coffee corner, ideal for quiet mornings or chill afternoon. Breaks while surrounded by nature. Now, here's something important to know. The resort has 2 separate accommodation zones. If you're here for a day tour, you'll have your own designated cottages. Perfect for groups and barcadas just looking for a quick getaway. These cottages are only available for day guests. On the other hand, if you're planning to stay the night, Riverfront also offers overnight accommodations, located in a completely separate area of the resort. And to keep everything organized and peaceful, guests are not allowed to cross over between the day tour and overnight areas. This setup keeps things peaceful for everyone, giving each group their own space to enjoy. Whether you're here to relax, bond with friends and family, take amazing photos, or just enjoy the cool weather and scenic views, Riverfront Garden Resort delivers a memorable and refreshing experience. The vibe here is perfect for solo travelers, couples on a romantic retreat, or groups looking for a peaceful nature trip without going too far from home. If you're planning your next getaway in Cavite, I highly recommend putting this place on your list. It's affordable, accessible, and filled with nature's beauty. Don't forget to bring your camera, your favorite snacks, and your good vibes. It's a place that really lets you breathe and slow down. If you enjoyed this vlog and want to discover more hidden gems, like Riverfront Garden Resort, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I've got more travel content coming your way, especially places around Cavite and nearby. Provinces that are perfect for motorcycle rides, quick escapes, and weekend adventures. Salamat sa panonood, and I'll see you on the next ride.